Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be DIYing some Goodwill things together for Halloween. I have a whole lineup of stuff. Can you see it all? Can you see it all? There's so much stuff here. I've got spray paint, I've got glass jars, I've got candlestick holders, I've got cake stands. We've got tons of stuff that we're going to be DIYing today, and I figured I would bring you guys along for the ride. I basically have everything lined up here, and I've already gone through and kind of sanded stuff so that it kind of has already gotten like a scratched up, more worn look to it. And now I'm going to take quite a few spray paints, and I'm going to just start spraying some of them down, wiping them off a little bit, and then adding some layers. At least everything's going to need a layer of black spray paint, so that's where we're going to start. Layer is on. Biggest thing is that I just need to give it some time to dry. I'm gonna do the underbelly of this real quick a little bit more. And if you're worried about my porch, don't worry, because a bunch of this wood is either getting replaced or repainted in the next like probably year or so. So it doesn't really matter that it gets messed up. It's all grungy and gross anyways. But yeah, so we're gonna wait for this to dry a little bit. Then we're going to come in with my little sander, scuff it up a little bit, and then we're gonna add some more layers after it's dried a little bit more. So catch back up with you guys in a little bit. I have a few items that I want to use this Behr hammered black gloss on. This is kind of what it looks like. We're going to add this to a couple items. I'm going to pick like maybe one jar. I have to shake it. This little jar. Do it on these guys a little bit. Maybe a little bit on that guy. We are gonna do these guys. Next, I'm going in with this Rust-Oleum metallic copper finish because I thought that would kind of be a cool old vibe for some of these guys. We're gonna start with our cake stand. This little jar, it looks like it could have been like metal. I want this to look like it could have been bronze. And remember that we'll keep going back in with more coats of all this stuff. Okay, this stuff is looking so good. Last one I'm gonna do before I have everything dry for a little bit is also this hammered dark bronze from Behr. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this and I'm gonna go over a few more of these. Okay, let's let that batch of things rest, and I'm gonna go wash my hands. Everything's been drying for a while, so yeah, we're just gonna go back in with the matte black paint mainly, I think. And where's that? Over here. Get all of this nice and dark. Started to where we're at now with these items, I'm really happy. We've got some bronzy, metallic-y, black vibes going on. And I think all of this is going to make great additions to my Halloween collection. So yay! I went back in and I scuffed everything up a little bit, and I think this looks a lot better. Like it needed a little bit more grunge to it. Things looked too perfect and polished. And so I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Like this just looks a lot more dingy in my opinion. Obviously it's still a little bit too polished looking, so who knows, I might rub it in some dirt or something, or add some grit paste to some of these other things later. But so far I'm pretty happy with it, and they'll definitely add a good amount of stuff to my current Halloween collection. So that's it. Let me know what you guys thought of this DIY. If you have any DIYs I should try, or whatever you're working on for Halloween this year. Make sure you give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Give that big red subscribe button a push so that you can come hang out with me for all the other spooky content that's happening on the channel this year. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!